Hello friends. Hello friends, welcome to the Civil Technical Knowledge YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel for more civil technical knowledge. Today we are learning component or element of road. This is a general plan of the road and component, and all the components are explained here. First one is carriageway. This is a carriageway. Carriageway is the way on the traffic move one direction to another direction easily, and this is a two-lane carriageway. This is a two-lane carriageway, and this is a single-lane carriageway. Two-lane carriageway are that one traffic move one direction on one side and traffic move one side to other side, and one-way carriageway are those the traffic move are only single line. So second one is shoulder. Shoulder is the emergency part to which the vehicle stop at any time. This is the part of shoulder. Shoulders are provided both sides on the road. Third one is margin. This part is margin. Margin is provided after the shoulder. Margin is the other part for used provide all the service line, that is electrical and drain pipeline etc. After margin, fourth one is roadway. That is called roadway. Roadway is the combination of carriageway. Roadway is the combination of carriageway plus shoulder. It's called roadway. This part combination of shoulder and carriageway is called roadway. And other part, fifth one is right way. The whole length of the road. The whole length of the road from the margin to the other margin. From the margin to the other margin is called right of way. In other words, we can say right of way is the combination of carriageway plus shoulder plus margin. Sixth one is median. Median is provided between the n opposing road traffic way and separate the two road. It's called median part of the road. After median, the next component is curb. Curb is provided along the median and both the direction of road. This is called curb. Guardrail. That is called guardrail. Outer the margin area is called guardrail. Guardrail is provided basically and generally on the hilly area to protect the vehicle damage and support to the vehicle. Building line. Building line is the center of the carriageway. Building line is the center of the carriageway. The distance of the building line more than 8 meters. So guys, please subscribe our channel and please share if you like it. Thank you.